Namaste to everyone. We, the students of DAV Girls Mogapair, are here to present two songs in Hindi and Sanskrit and a talk show in English.
वन्दे मातरं वद भारत वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वो वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं जन्मभूरियं वीरवराणां त्यागधनानां धीराणां मातृभूमये लोकहिताय च नित्यसमर्पितचित्तानां जितगोपानां कृतकृत्यानां नित्यं तृणवद्दृष्टवतां मातृसेवनादात्मजीवने साधकतामानीतवतां वन्दे भारतमातरं वद भारत वन्दे मातरं वद भारत वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वो वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे भारत मातरं वद भारत वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं मातस्वतो वित्तं चित्तं सर्वं प्रतिभा देहबलं नाहं कर्ता कारयसि त्वं निःस्पृहता मम धर्मफले अर्पितमेतज्जीवनपुष्पं मातस्तव शुभपादतले नान्यो मन्त्रो नान्यचिन्तनं नान्यद्देशहितादिरुते वन्दे भारतमातरं वद भारत वन्दे मातरं वद भारत वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वो वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
I'm Nandika Narayan,
And I am Aditi,
here to talk about the role of youth in nation building.
and innovations for sustainable India.
आनैडाभिर्विदधे सुषस्ति विश्वानः सविता देवयेतु अपि यथा युवानो मत्सतानो विश्वं जगदभिपित्वे मनीषा.
Hi Nandika, what are you doing?
Good morning, Aditi. I'm doing my project. I have to tell a speech and present it as a PPT.
Wow, that's really nice. What is the project about? Even I have a project about some of the innovations for sustainable India.
Mine is about the role of youth in nation building. Let's do one thing. We'll do the project together.
Sure.
I finished it. Can I tell my speech?
Yes.
Okay, so we all know the fact that the youth of any country is a great asset. They are indeed our future and represented at every level. And the role of youth in nation building is more important than you might think. In other words, the intelligence and work of the youth will take the country on the pathway of success. As every citizen is equally responsible, people, the youth is too. They are indeed the building blocks of the country. The youths are important because they are our future. Today they might be our partners. Tomorrow they will go on to become leaders. The youths are energetic and enthusiastic. They have the ability to learn and act on it as well as to achieve their goals. For example, let me take all the brave and courageous soldiers, especially the Paramveer Chakra awardees. They died, they sacrificed their life for protecting the nation and the people of the nation. Many of them died at a very young age, but they made us proud. So let us all be grateful for these soldiers for their selfless bravery in protecting the nation. With this, I conclude my speech by saying that the youth is the backbone of the country. They are indeed the future leaders, entrepreneurs and employees who will drive economic growth and development.
Wow, that was a very nice speech, Nandika. I have a song about these Paramveer Chakra winners. Can I sing 2 to 3 lines?
Yes.
Veera Veera Shurveera, Veera Veera Paramveera, Veera Veera Shurveera, Veera Veera Paramveera, Somna Jado Rana Pedo, Karam Singh Solariya Tapa Jogendra, Shaitan Abdul Tara Pureka, Selamarun Ketrapada Kiya Bana, Parameshwara Manu Jogendra Sanjay Putra Veera Veera Shurveera, Veera Veera Paramveera, Veera Veera Shurveera, Veera Veera Paramveera.
That was a great tribute to the Paramveer Chakra awardees. You brought all the names into it. Appreciate it, Aditi.
Thank you, Nandika. Now let me say my speech. So, sustainable innovation integrates environmental protection to the ability of creating new products that satisfy our needs in the long term. For example, Chandrayaan-3 is the third mission in the Chandrayaan program, which is a series of lunar exploration missions developed by ISRO. Chandrayaan-3's main objective was to demonstrate safe and soft landing on the lunar surface. This successful mission demonstrates India's rising standards of technology and space powerhouse and dovetails with our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's desire to project an ascendant country asserting its place among the global elite, and as scientists pass knowledge, intelligence, curiosity and hard work to this success of the mission. India has occupied a significant place in high-end products and service innovations in the new economy sectors of information and communication technologies, pharmaceuticals and skill-intensive manufacturing sectors. India's growth story is now being rewritten by innovations.
That was a great speech, Aditi, especially the part where you brought Chandrayaan. I have a shloka about it. Let me recite it. Om Talaspashitaya Karyat Vaijnanika Ganasya Naha Talaspashodya Chandrasya Chandrayanena Sadhitaha.
Let me also recite one sloka. Somanathasya netritve Somanatha vayam kritaha Somanatha kripa bhuyat Vishwanathatva siddhaye.
Actually, don't you think we are lucky to be Indians? We have brave young soldiers who will protect us no matter what, and great scientists and engineers who have invented and developed various technologies.
Absolutely. Proud to be a Bharatian.
Jai Hind. Om Atra Janma Sahasrana Sahasrairapi Sattama Kadachit Labate Jantuhu Manushyam Punya Sanchayat.
Dhanyavadaha.